Greetings everyone my friends, welcome to a new video. I am Ufuk from the Multi-Crypto Count team. Today I will tell you how we can do the $40 Coinbase tasks you have seen right now, and how we can get our $40 reward after doing them, friends. As you know, Coinbase gives some errors when doing tasks on it, and I will tell you everything in detail about what we will do to fix these errors. And at the end of the video, be sure that you will all win the $40 prize, friends. And without paying any fee, if you wish, let's move on to our video without wasting any time. First of all, I would like to start with a small reminder. As the Multi-Crypto Count team, we share a lot of content that can help you earn money for you. You can support us by subscribing. Now, if we move on to our tasks, friends, we need to download Coinbase Wallet from the App Store or Google Play. As you can see, there is Coinbase's site and Coinbase Wallet, and we need to download Wallet and do these tasks, because the tasks are in the wallet. First of all, Coinbase downloaded our wallet. After completing the download, we say create a new wallet. We press the continue button. Then it gives us a 12-word password, and we need to save this password. You can save it in a safe place by copying it to the clipboard. After manually clicking on the backup, as you have seen, recovery statements appeared before us. I'm coming back one by one from these recovery phrases. We need to check the first and 12th of the words here. After checking this, we can easily open our account, friends. As you have seen, we logged into our account. Now we can see the tasks, friends. So what are the conditions for doing these tasks? First of all, you need to have a Coinbase account. If you do not have a Coinbase account, unfortunately you cannot complete these tasks, friends. You will have a Coinbase account and you need to complete KYC. I have a Coinbase account, but I did not approve the KYC. Can I participate in these tasks if I do KYC again? Yes, you can participate, friends. You just need to have a Coinbase account. You open your Coinbase account. After completing your KYC, you complete the processes I just did and set up your Coinbase wallet. After setting up your Coinbase wallet, we enter the browser section you see below. Immediately after entering, we can complete our tasks from the tasks section. As you can see, there are quite a few tasks, friends. There are 2, 4, 5 tasks in total. We will try to get $40 today by doing these tasks. Now that we have done everything, we need to enter the settings section, because we need to connect the Coinbase account, friends. We click on the Coinbase account to connect the Coinbase account you see in the middle, and you can connect from here. Let's say unlink. Let's connect again. Connect my Coinbase account. And as you can see, it redirected me to the Coinbase site. It will also redirect you, and this is how you can connect your Coinbase account, friends. I said Coinbase Wallet, then I said authorize. Then I can connect my Coinbase account. I'm logging back into the browser. I need to click on the task to do the task. I click on the task. I said close. Then I can do my task by saying start task. Let's see if it will be the first one. Will it give us support the country error? We'll have to see about that. I clicked start task, then I did the approvals here. I said go ahead. It says it doesn't support a country. We say go back, friends. We make our exit from here. We come to the settings section again. From the Coinbase account connected section, we say unlink. We remove the connection. Then we enter task 1 from the browser section again. We enter task 1. We said close and click on start task again. Connect to Coinbase. We click on the transfer from Coinbase button. After authorize, let's see if our task will work. We said start the task. It didn't work again, friends. I will show you another method. We immediately logged back into the settings section. We clicked on the Coinbase account. We say unlink. Then we completely exit the application. Then after logging back into our application, we come to the task section from the browser section. We click on our first task. We said close, we said start mission, we said connect to Coinbase, and then we clicked on the transfer from Coinbase button, and then we authorized it. Let's see if we can start our mission. I said initiate the mission. No luck, guys. There's a third and final method. We'll try this one right now. We disconnect. Then we need to close the app completely. And we put our phone in airplane mode. Then, after waiting for a certain period of time, we remove the airplane mode. We log into Coinbase Wallet again. and we click on our task from the browser section. Friends, we said close, we said start the mission, we said connect to Coinbase. After clicking the transfer from Coinbase button, can we authorize and start our task? Let's look at that. I said start mission, and it said country not supported again. I said go back. I logged out of here. I went back into the settings. I said unlink my Coinbase account again. I'm unlinking. I'm logging out of my Coinbase account. Then I log back into Coinbase Wallet. Try it like this all the time, friends. It happens eventually, and you can complete the tasks. I said browser. I log back into my task and do the authorization. And as you can see, I did the previous steps over and over again, and I was finally able to log into the task. Don't give up, friends. Try to participate in the task by repeating what I just did. Now in our first mission, we need to throw money into our optimization network. We can do that by clicking the transfer to another wallet button. It will copy our wallet address. To send on the Optimism network, you need Ethereum on the Optimism network. Deposit some Optimism network Ethereum to your wallet. Click transfer to another wallet. And as you can see, our Optimism address has been copied. Then you can withdraw from any exchange, friends. Coinbase Wallet. I will show you how to do that on Binance. By the way, as in our other videos, this video is an award-winning video. 2 people who like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel, earn 200 TL per person from us. You can check if you have won as a pinned comment in the comments section of our next video. We logged into our Binance account. We needed to get Ethereum to our Coinbase wallet from the Optimism network. You can do it like this. First of all, we buy a $10 Ethereum, friends. I want to buy a $10 Ethereum just in case. Then after choosing the Ethereum, we paste the address he just gave us here, friends. He said paste it. You can do these transactions in this way on any stock exchange. You need to do the same process on most exchanges, more or less, and there is no difficulty. We clicked on a selection. And this is very important, friends. We need to choose the optimization network. What did he tell us? You need to throw money from the Optimism network to complete the mission. We chose Optimism. Then you need to send a certain amount of Ethereum here. For example, how much should we send? I'm sending a transaction of $265 guys. And so I send my Ethereums to Coinbase Wallet by saying confirm. After entering the wallet, we click on our task again in the browser section. We said close after we said continue. We need to convert our Ethereums to USDC. Let's do a $2 conversion right away. We said find the best price. Make the trade, and then we're done with this task. We press continue again. Your mission bonus is on its way, friends. Soon our $5 OOP will be deposited into our account. We provide our controls immediately. We logged into the assets section. We are waiting, friends. Our OOP will be in our account soon. As you can see, our $5 OOP was transferred to our account. Then let's start our second mission, friends. We logged into the browser section again. Then we clicked on our second task. We say start the task. The country is not supported. We do the operations I explained at the beginning of the video over and over again. And we provide our entry to this task in an easy way, friends. I said go back and I cut the video until I do these operations and start the mission. Try to do the operations I did one by one in order. Don't give up, friends. Eventually your mission will be launched. After doing the operations at the beginning of the video, we press the continue button. And as you have seen, it asks us to create an NFT. We quickly create this NFT and complete this task, friends. But before that, it gives us a quiz. We need to complete this quiz. We said start quiz, then we need to answer the questions here. Our first question is Bursa. The answer to our second question is C. The answer to our third question is no, friends. So Bursa. We click right away. We said done. And so we have completed our quiz. Then we immediately click on NFT. And we complete our NFT according to the steps here. Let's do it now, my friends. We have chosen, then we make our choices from here. You can choose as you wish, friends. I'm passing these places right away in order to be fast. I said Contoon. You can create your avatar as you wish, friends. We are processing one. And after I make my approvals from here, I say mint my NFT, and thus I have made my NFT. You pay a certain amount of FII fee, of course, and we've already increased our Ethereums. We're going to pay a certain amount of FII fee from there, guys. We said sign. After we say confirm, we complete this task. The minting process is happening right now, and we have successfully completed this task. We click on the Optimism ecosystem section. Let's see if this task is completed in our wallet. We get our $10 OPI reward. We can enter the browser section again and complete other tasks and earn up to $40, friends. I will complete them for you quickly, don't worry. After completing them, we take $40 and put it in our pocket in a nice way. As you know, $40 is not really bad money, friends. Try to do these tasks as much as you can. If you have a Coinbase account, of course, you should not forget that. I click on the next task immediately. As you can see, it says again that the country does not support it. I do the same thing again. I say go back. I'm logged out of here. I go to settings. I click on Coinbase account. I click on disconnect. I say disconnect. Then I log out of my vault completely. I log back into my Coinbase vault. I go to task 3. I click on my task. I say start task. I said connect Coinbase, and then I clicked on transfer from Coinbase, and then I clicked on authorization. Let's see if we have a mission. As you have seen, this is how we will be able to do this task, friends. The steps are very simple. You can complete these tasks with these steps by trying all the ways I show you. After entering the last task, we need to do the stick process here. We can do it like this. When we go down, we need to select op. We select op. After selecting the op, we stick our 1112 OP in the amount section at the bottom. Then, after saying approve, we complete this process, friends. We can get this reward at the end of 7 days. So here we need to keep our 1 OP on the stick for 7 days. After it stays, we earn another $10 OP from that task. We say approve right here, after saying approve. Let us go and move on. We have successfully completed this task, friends. Then let's log into the browser again. We have completed all the tasks, friends. There were 5 tasks just now. But 2 of my tasks were deleted from here. I don't know why, but you are here too. But you should have a total of 4 tasks here. You can complete all of those missions this way. When you've already followed the steps, you can complete these tasks. And you win a $40 reward for free, friends. So if you ask how we withdraw these OPs, we earn to our account. We click the send button from the top. From this section, we select max and say next. And we can paste our OP address in this section and send it to any account we want, friends. The withdrawal process is that simple. I explained everything in detail until how to throw money. $40 is not a little money. Try to do it, all of you. I will answer your questions in the comments section. You can ask your questions, friends. Then let's slowly come to the end of our video. See you in our next video. Goodbye.